All right, how do you split windows? Let's say you have multiple tabs open and you want to split them. Um, you could do it like this. So this is the browser that I'm on. This is the tab I'm on. I will go. There's a maximize window right here next to the close icon. So you just hover your mouse over here, and then I'll give you options like, let's say I want to split my windows into two, one bigger, one small, into three, and then this diagram, and then this one, this whatever you like. Let's say I want to do two tabs for my window. I'll just click here, and I'll just give me the. I'll just duplicate this tab just for the demo, right? And then I can just and it'll give me that. So if I don't want to do that, what I also could do is from the keyboard I can press Windows and an arrow key. It will also rearrange the differences for me, and then I can maximize it. Pressing Windows and up arrow, Windows and down arrow will do this. Minimizes Windows and right will do that. Windows and left will adjust that. Let's say I want to have four windows, right? This is what I could do. I could add one windows on this over here, this tab, and then another window on this left tab. If I have four tabs open, I could have four different. I can show it to you right now. Let's duplicate them, and then let's do them. Okay. Let's say I want to do this four tabs. You see, I have four tabs now. So all these tabs are different. All right, I hope this helps.